Our children are living in an age where there's a rapid growth of childhood diseases due to preventable lifestyle choices. Think of what our children are eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Knowing how important our child's food choices impact their future, they must understand the importance of eating healthy. And, more importantly, they need to be able to enjoy eating healthy foods. Speaking from experience, your child will consistently eat healthy foods only if they enjoy it. Otherwise, how else can they make eating healthy a lifelong habit? That's why I created Tiny Green Chef, a nutritional cooking program for kids, teaching them how to embrace a healthy appetite for whole plant-based foods they'll grow to love. Our goal is to teach your child why we eat healthy, how to cook, and enjoy healthy meals. Get access to the first cooking lesson free. Are you ready to transform your child's relationship around food for the better?